Okay, so I think we can start. Yeah. Okay, are we together?
Yes, yes, we can start now.
Okay, excellent. So just before the break, we open a new spreadsheet file. Okay, we open a new spreadsheet file. Um, Let me just project that. Okay, so you've seen the new spreadsheet file, yeah? Called Untitled. Can you see? No. Hello, are you with me? Okay, so can you see the new spreadsheet now? Hello?
Yes, yes, we can see it.
Okay, good. So once you click new spreadsheet from your Google Drive, this is what will display. Okay, so if you had done it on your own, that's the way to do it. So if you are using a mobile device, it might not look like this. Okay, so for those of you that are using mobile device, what did you do to go to your new spreadsheet? Hello? What's wrong with everybody? Hello?
Mr.
Yeah, hello.
400.
Mr. Fofana.
Yes.
Yes, you click on the add button when you open the app. You click on the onto the add button.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you see the icons for spreadsheet, Word, and so on.
Okay, exactly.
Yeah.
So it's something very similar. Good, good. Okay, fine. So that's the way to add your spreadsheet on a mobile app. Okay, so now I'm sure a lot of you have seen this before. Okay, Google Sheet, a lot of you have seen it before, isn't it? If not all
Yes,
of you. Okay, so it looks very much like Excel spreadsheet, isn't it? In any case, they are all spreadsheets. So it looks very similar to Excel spreadsheet in that it also has got what? Columns and rows. And the columns and rows are denoted with what?
Somalie pour faire un point sur la lutte contre les shebabs. Demain, mardi 21 décembre, le Conseil de sécurité des Nations Unies doit se pencher sur le renouvellement du mandat de l'AMISOM, la mission de
Hey,
l'Union africaine
Musa,
chargée de combattre ces insurgés islamistes somaliens ces 2 dernières années et sur fond de graves crises politiques.
what is wrong with Musa?
L'attaque et d'imposer la loi dans les zones qu'il contrôle.
Musa, can you please turn off your mic, please?
Okay, that's better. Right. So I'm sure you're all familiar with a typical spreadsheet frame. Okay, which is as you can see, the letters, of course, are columns and the numbers are rows, and where they intersect, each box is called a what? Each box is called a what?
It's called a cell.
It's called a cell. Okay. It's called a cell, and each cell has got a cell reference. If you click on it, it gives you the cell reference, as you can see on here. So, for example, if you click on here, this box is going to highlight H and it's going to highlight 4, meaning the cell reference is H4. That means it's on column H and row 4. Okay, we all know those basic things, isn't it? Then here at the bottom is the scroll bar. Okay, it's the scroll bar as we can see here. Then we have another scroll bar, vertically that can take you up and down. So this other scroll bar can take you from left to right and from right to left. Yeah. Okay, and we have some menu functions here. Okay, we have file menu, edit menu, and so on and so forth. Okay, so these are the functions, the actual works are done from these menus. Okay, is that clear, everyone? So let's title our spreadsheet. So we're going to call it, just give it your own initial. So I'm going to call myself my own LF, and I'll call it target costing. So I'll call it LF target costing. So your own, if it is Bintu Cisse, then you just say BC target costing. Okay. Target costing. Okay. Target costing. Then you could put, what semester is this, just to differentiate it from the others? Is it October 2021 semester or what? Is it October 2021 semester? Okay, so right. So we'll just call it LF target costing October 2021 semester, right? So that will be our file name. Okay, so we'll quickly go through the menus. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we'll quickly go through the menus. The first menu is the file menu. Okay, if you open the file menu, you see there are lots of similarities that you have with that of Excel, but there are things that are different. One, on Excel's file menu, you can see save or save as, but here, can you see any save or save as? You cannot. Okay, on Excel's own, you can save file, but this one is automatically saved. Okay, so you can see there are similarities, of course, new file, open a file, stuff like that. Then you could share your file here. Okay, you could download the file. This is a Google Sheet file, but you could download it into Excel. You could rename the file. You could print the file, and so on and so forth. Then you go to the edit menu. Edit menu is very similar to that of the home menu, with all these features. Okay, very similar to the home menu, the find and replace, the do and the undo, copy and paste like that. I'm sure you're very much familiar to all those. Then we have the view menu. The view menu also, you have the sew, whereby you can freeze the panels, you can sew formulas or unsew the formulas. Okay, you can freeze, how to call it, a column, so you can freeze rows. And of course, you can group and ungroup, you can zoom and stuff like that. Then we go to the insert menu, okay, whereby you could insert cells, columns, pivot tables, and charts. Then the format also, the whole menu of Excel has got most of the features here, the number formatting, the text, we want to make it bold, underline, alignment. These are all the features that are under the home menu, but here they don't call it home menu, okay? Wrapping, font size, conditional formatting, and so on. All this stuff here are under the home menu under Microsoft Excel. Then you have the data menu. The data menu is also very powerful. You could create data tables here. You could filter, you could sort, data validation, very important tool. You split data column to text. For example, if you have, let's say, the full names in a text, you want to separate the name from the surname to go to different columns. That's this function. You have the same function on Excel spreadsheet as well. Then you have the tools, notification rules, create a new form, spelling and stuff like that. So this one, a lot of things here are not available on Microsoft Excel. Then the extensions, these are the languages, and if you want to add macros and stuff like that, then that's the help. Okay, so overall, that's the way a typical Google Sheet spreadsheet looks like. Okay, are you familiar with those windows?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to practice how to share, how to collaborate. Okay, I know some of you know how to do that, but we just demonstrate it, just 1 or 2 accounts, and then we'll see how that will work. So if you are using your laptop, you are on the internet, give me your email now, then I'll share so that we will see how you're going to feature here. So to share a file or to collaborate with someone using Google Sheet, so what you do is you can either click this button here, which is a share button, or you can come to File menu and click on Share. Okay, so these are the 2 options. And take note, if this button is green as it is now, it means you are connected to the internet. If it is gray, then that means your internet is off. So I'm going to share with maybe 1 or 2 or 3 people, not more than that, for the sake of time. And afterwards, we will do some calculations. So as we do more calculations, we'll come to, in contact with a lot of other features, especially window features. Okay, right. So in order to share, easy, click on the share button. Okay, so if you click on the share button, this is what appears. So it says share with people and groups. So you have to type people here. You have to add people here by typing their emails. Okay, can someone give me email? Let me have 2 or 3 people. That's if you're going to get access and open it now, then you see how it's going to work. So give me 1, please.
So I've sent mine in the comment box.
Okay, that's faster. Then I just go to window. Yes, I just copy. Yes, can I get 2 more? So just copy and paste this here. Control V. Okay, anyone on the comment box? Okay, good. So that's enough now. That's enough for now. Copy and paste. Okay, so that's added. Then just 1 more, just for example, John, yes. Okay, John's own is a normal Gmail account. Good. Right. So I'm gonna close that. I go here, then I add, paste that. Okay, John, what happened? I don't know. I hope because you are not part of the family. Oh, no. I think maybe because there is a space here. There's extra space here. Yes. You see, there was a space after your dot, John. So that's why I did not take it. But anyways, taking it now. Good. So can you see? So we've added 3 people. That's Bintu, Boubacar Ba, and John Gomez. So this is what you do. You type the emails here, and whatever message you want to type here, let's say, hi all, your case, something quick like that, or whatever. You want to type whatever you want. Then you click on the send button. Okay, so once you click on send button, it said is complaining about John, who is outside of this, because the 2 of you already has got UTG accounts. Okay, but we want to share with you anyway, and then we'll see. Okay, so can you please check your emails and open, and then we'll see what's going to happen. Open your emails now. I've sent it to you already. So after sending, this will appear here. People added. Okay, people added. So it will disappear after some time. So that means now you are collaborating with people. So if you want to see those people, you can come here, you click on here, you see all of them are here. Bintu has an editor, Babukar Ba has an editor, and John has an editor. So please open your files quickly so we can see how it's going to work. Bintu?
Mr. Fofana?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Where do you see the people you just added?
They will appear here. Look at them.
Where?
They'll appear here. That's John.
On the Excel sheet. Where do you see?
This is what I'm saying. Is here. They are on top here. Can you see? Can you see my how to call it here?
Yeah, I'm not seeing the spreadsheet. I'm seeing the spreadsheet, but I'm not seeing their names.
You don't see their names? What device are you using?
No, I'm using a mobile phone.
Yeah, that's why you'll not be able to see them on a mobile phone.
Oh, as well. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Is anyone using laptop among you?
Yeah, Mr. Fufan, I'm using a laptop, but I'm lost. I just log in.
You just log in. So if you log in, you are using the called LF target costing October 2021. Are you seeing that?
Yes, I'm seeing that.
Okay, can you see on top here, on almost at the right? Can you see the people there?
Yes, I can see the people.
Exactly. So if people log on, you'll be able to know who is on your spreadsheet because you collaborated with them. So this is like, this is Babukar Ba. If I hover my mouse, if I'm using a mobile device, you'll not be able to see this. So that's why it's very good to use your laptop. Okay, so you see Babukar Ba, once I hover my mouse, and for his color is red. Then I hover my mouse on John Gomez, his on is what? Green. And Bintu is like purple. Okay, for those of you that are using laptop, other than Kadi, is anyone using laptop again? Can you see these people on top? Can you see them? Hello? Yes, you can see them. Okay, good. Right. So now, by default, everybody is an editor. So Bintu, can you type on cell B3? Can you type on cell B3, Bintu? Okay. So you see Bintu has gone to B3. If you hover your mouse, you will see Bintu's name there. Okay, start typing.
Sorry, sir, what should I type in?
Type anything, Bintu. Type okay, let's say. Type anything. You see, now the cell has become great, meaning if you see this, then that means the person is typing. Can you see, everyone?
Yes, we are seeing.
Okay, then after entering, whatever she enters will appear here. Can you see? Okay.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, John, can you type on a C2, John? Go to C2 and type. Okay, so when you hover your mouse, no, that's Babukar. Babukar, I say John, you are going. John, C2. John, you are on A2. C2, please, John. John, go to C2. Is John with us? Okay, Babukar, can you type on E3? Sorry, not Babukar. Yes, Babukar. Okay, exactly. So Babukar is on E3, is typing. Look at it, it's graying out, meaning it's typing. Okay, it said tank. Okay, so now, John, are you with us? John does not seem to hear what we're saying. Okay, now at least Bintu and Babukar are on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change your status. I'm going to change your status. Now you can edit, but I'm going to restrict you. So I'm going to go back to share again. So I click on share. Okay, once I click on share, this will open again. Then I'm going to change I'm going to change Bintu's right. Okay, so for your information, these are the various rights: viewer, commenter, and editor. Okay, and of course, you could transfer ownership. Like I am the owner, I'm the system administrator, and I can remove someone also if I want to. So, but for now, I want to prevent Bintu from doing anything with my work. So what she will be able to do is to only view. So I'm going to change her editor right to viewer right. And I'm going to change Babukar's right to a commenter right. Then I say save. Okay, so now Babukar and Bintu, check whether you can be able to type. Okay, so Bintu, now try to go to A2 and then type, and then let's see what's going to happen. Go to A2, Bintu, and then you try to type.
So I'm typing, but it's not appearing on the screen.
Yeah, it will not appear because
It says your access has expired.
Exactly. So your access has expired, yes. So because I've restricted you, I've taken you off. Okay, so what about Babukar? Babukar, can you go to, let's say, D7 and try to type D7? Can you go to D7, Babukar? Babukar, are you with us? Babukar, are you with us? Okay. So if you go to D7, Babukar, you'll not be able to type, but you can comment. Okay, so I've given you commenter right. Is Babukar with John? John, are you with us? John? They seem to be lost.
Yes, sir, I'm back. My network was spending. My network was broken.
Okay, okay. So John, I'm going to change your your right to a commenter right. So John, can you go to F1 and then try to type? F1, John, can you type on F1? John, are you with us now?
Yes, give me some 30 seconds.
Are you using a laptop or what?
I think John has left again.
Okay, fine. So, right. So once you are restricted, you can only be able to do what they restrict you for. Like, for example, Bintu went, she could not type anything. So for her, what she could do is only to view. It's just unfortunately, John and Bubakar are not. Bubakar, are you back? Okay.
They're all down.
They're all down, yeah. They're both down, yeah. So it's like you can practice this among yourselves after class. Try to give various rights, and then you see how it's going to work. So for Bubakar and John, I've given them only comment rights, so that means they could not.
Thank you. So I'm back. Can you said I should go for F1 and do what?
Go to F1. Try to type at F1. Go to F1, please, quickly.
John? Yes, I am there.
Okay, can you type something there?
Yeah, it's possible. Possible to understand it because of the John, are you there?
He's struggling. Who is at the background in John's place? Come on, stop talking. We don't have time. John, are you chatting or are you trying to do what we ask you to do? Okay, let's move. Okay, let's move. Okay, now what we're going to do is hello.
Hear you.
Okay, so I've muted John. I don't think he's with us. Okay, so this is the way you give right. Please try to practice this after class. So how you share is by going to the share button, type in the individual's email, and then you say done. Then after that, you could go and change their various rights. And like I said, the rights are either a viewer, a commenter. A viewer, you are only able to view the document and you cannot edit, you cannot comment, you can do anything. A commenter, you can view and then you can comment, but you cannot edit. So how to comment is wherever you want to comment on, you click on there, you right click and then type your comment and send. Okay, so you could give temporal access, you could transfer ownership if you are the editor, you could transfer and you remove people completely from there. So these are some of the functions that you could do when you are collaborating. I hope it's clear as to how you collaborate using Google Sheet spreadsheet. Is it clear? Any questions, please?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the case, like if you give us an assignment and we are supposed to share it with you,